Can drinking from a copper vessel ease your digestion issues? Hi, this is Jovanka from JovankaCiares.com, and today I'm going to talk about copper vessels. This is one of the new trends of the year, and it's actually something that Ayurveda, the ancient treatment system of India, has been using for, thousands of years. So what is a copper vessel and how can it help you with your digestion issues? So first of all, copper is a trace mineral that your body needs and uses on a daily basis. You need it in teeny tiny amounts, and you can actually get it from food like leafy green vegetables, like organ meats, and all kinds of other stuff. The problem is that a lot of us do not consume the right kinds of foods or consume too many of the foods that are actually really bad for us. So we might be deficient in some trace minerals. There is where the copper vessel can actually work for you. According to Ayurveda, water stored in copper vessels can kill microorganisms, molds, fungi, algae, and bacteria that can be present in the water and can be really harmful to your body. This water can have antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-carcinogenic, and even anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps neutralize toxins. Here are a few of the reasons why you might consider drinking from water from a copper vessel. It helps the digestive system perform better. It aids with weight loss, helps heal wounds faster, slows down aging, helps maintain heart health and beats hypertension, mitigates the risk of cancer, protects from infections, regulates your thyroid gland, beats arthritis and inflamed joints, boosts the skin's and melanin production. So how do I use it? I simply put filtered distilled water in my little jug and leave it in my nightstand for the 8 hours that I'm asleep. The minimum amount of time that you should be letting the water be infused is about 4 hours, and the maximum could be as long as 24 hours. Then I will drink it on an empty stomach at the very beginning of the day. So I just wake up and look at my nightstand and drink just about 4 or 5 ounces of this water to help me with my digestion issues and to just get everything balanced and started for the day. Ayurveda believes that you can do this very safely because the water that is actually, the copper that is infused into the water is those same trace amounts that you need on a daily basis. I've been using this for about 3 months. I just learned about it from a friend that is also an Ayurvedic practitioner and fan. And I don't know if it is in my head or not because there's no scientific study behind this, but I gotta tell you, I normally have a flare-up from my IBS maybe once a month. Since I started drinking this, and this is the only thing that has changed, I haven't had a single flare-up. Now I'm gonna stop taking this for a few months, and if I notice any difference, I'll come back and leave a message and let you know if I've noticed any difference. But this is relatively new to me. I've only been using it for about 3 months. Ayurveda has been practicing using water infused in copper for thousands of years, and people seem to thrive on it. So it's just for you to determine whether or not it works for you. Just let me know if you've tried by leaving a comment below and sharing your insights of what you've heard. Are you a follower of Ayurveda that has learned how amazing it is and want to try to tell us and teach us a little something? Let me know just by leaving a comment below. Make sure, before I move on, I just want to show you that the water looks exactly like any other kind of regular water. So, and it tastes exactly the same as filtered water. So nothing you need to worry about. I would give it a go and give it a few weeks and see if it works for you. Make sure that you actually are under the care of an herbalist, somebody that is licensed, or another healthcare practitioner before you try anything new. Make sure that you share this video with all of your friends all over the internet and that you subscribe for more tips and a jolt of motivation for your healthy, happy, and beautiful life. See you soon. Salud.